In this tutorial, I'm going to go over with you how to set up your settings for your STL output from the cloud. Simply click on the upper right-hand corner where you see this little head. From here, you'll want to go to your settings and then your clinical settings and STL printing. You will see that you have a default output option. First option is standard model, next is direct print aligner, and then Lux Creo. In each of these options, you'll want to select your defaulted settings. First is your standard model, your stage numbering, your label, your digital fill option, which is a great option to eliminate having to use any putty or acrylic on your models. This will do it digitally for your undercuts and interproximal areas of recession. And then if you have a trim machine, you can also set that up as well. You get to choose if you're doing a hollow or a solid model. If you're doing a hollow, you want to make sure that you choose drain holes, and then which direction you're going to be printing in, along with the height model base. We recommend anywhere from 3 to 5 millimeters, but as you can see, you can select 1 to 20. Next, you want to go through your direct print aligner if this is also an option that you want to have. You will see that you still have your digital fill, and then you'll also have your offset and your thickness for your aligner. Also with your Lux Creo as well. You will have the option for your stage numbering and for your digital fill. From here, I'm going to open my patient's case. You'll click on the hyperlink and you'll see it will open a different tab. From here, you will see a little hamburger menu drop down. From here, you'll click on Export STL. From here, you'll see that you'll have your export standard model selected. If you have the direct print aligner or Lux Creo set up, you can also select those as well. From here, you will see your export as standard model. You'll have your stage number, your label, and your digital fill, which can all be changed for a specific patient. With the digital fill, you can preview this. This is a great option to preview to make sure that you don't want to add or take away any of the digital fill, remove it altogether, or if you have a missing tooth, there is a bridge option that will give you the option to adjust. As you can see here, I can zoom in and I can move the model around. I can also click on anterior, posterior, or individual tooth, and then I can just simply adjust my digital fill. If you require no fill, you can simply click no fill for that specific area. Then click back. You will see that I've output these models because they are in gray. I am going to simply select the ones that I need to redo, or I can simply hit select all. Then I'm going to hit next. It's going to then process your files, which can take a moment. Over here to the left, you'll be able to preview your model and what it looks like with patient's name, and you'll also see the numbering as well. If you're happy with the way that looks, you can simply hit output and save STL files. If you want to go back to make any corrections, you can do that from here. I'm going to click the output save STL files where it will tell you that you will be charged once you output. And in a few moments, you'll see our download folder will pop up. That is where your STLs will download into, and then you can simply select all of your STLs and drag them into a specific folder or USB, or if you have your printer software on your computer, you can simply drag and drop them onto the build plate.